So I made another video replacing the rollers on this HP printer because the first video didn't have a very good close-up shot inside. So the first thing you want to do to replace the front roller is to twist it to the front and just pull up on it. There's a couple of tabs that hold it in place, and you get the new front roller. It only fits in one way, and you just have to snap it right in place. So in the last video I missed a step, which I'm going to show you later. But the roller on the inside of the printer, it's right behind that metal flap, and you want to take it's got two tabs holding it in place that you need to push in. So if you got like a really small screwdriver or something, you can pick at it. One of them is on the left next to the gear. It's a little box and there's a little tab on it, and you just, once it's popped out, you could try and wiggle it, but it's not, it comes right out. So the gear part you can throw out, but the little black tab on the right side, you have to attach it to the new roller. It doesn't actually stay on, but you want to fit it on. Be careful not to touch the new roller with your bare hands, because the oil from your skin will damage it. And then you want to drop it in place. Make sure the white gear goes on the left side, and make sure that the black tab, there's a spring next to the white gear and that goes downward, and the black tab only fits in a certain way. So once you've gotten it in exactly how you want it, then just push down and it'll snap into place. So make sure to snap it in on both sides. Then you want to take these tabs out of the paper trays. There's two screws holding them in. So you need to do this for as many paper trays as you have. So you slide the new tab in and just screw it into place. Now you need to take this thing out of the front roller at the bottom. Just use a screwdriver to pry it out. It's got a tab on it that you just have to push down on to take out, and you put the new tab on. It's just a little rubber pad. It only goes in one way, and this is not the way. So I think I did it backwards. So it just snaps right in, and you put this back underneath that front roller, and the two tabs at the bottom snap into place, and you're good to go. So that's it.